10 o'clock right now.
So that is the end of this trip.
Okay.
And it was definitely beautiful.
Okay.
And let's start the ride again.
Where are we going?
We are going, I guess, to Guna Caves.
Guna Caves.
And then we might cover Poombarai as well.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And then yes, I think we are headed.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Okay, where is your bike, bro?
This?
Oh, this is your bike. Black Suzuki SX 250.
Yep.
So if you still not subscribed channel, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. So let's get it into the video. அப்பா நல்ல இடம் கொடுத்தீங்க. Reverse. This is actually we getting from we go from this resort. Before that they taking photos and videos, drone shot, everything. So we all bike together to take photos here. And okay, it's good. Okay. Oh my god. My toe not enough for ground. Oh my god, this is the issue I am facing every time. Oh, today we going Guna Cave, which is located from I think from Kodaikanal main city. I think 5 km or 10 km. Oh, wow, amazing climate. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm going before sweep. So in Kodaikanal, so many places, so many tourist places there. So one is Dolphin Nose, so many waterfalls, and the famous shooting point that his name is Guna Cave. Already that brother told to us. Yeah, we going I think there. Again they stopped in one good view place. So this is called way to Guna Cave, this road going to Guna Cave. So actually we are standing here. So if tiger come or lion come in this forest, we don't know about this forest. If the tiger come,
yeah,
what will do?
What I will do, I will have fun with tiger.
Have fun with tiger. Yeah. What fun with tiger?
What fun means whatever fun which is okay with tiger, we can.
Okay with tiger, we can fun.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Oh my god, see that waterfall. So much traffic. Oh. What is this place? This place called where they mention or number. I don't know. I think that is that false place. Okay, after this falls we're going Pumbare. They're all 30 bikes Suzuki, right? So the people are watching. Oh my god. So if you are coming in Kodaikanal Guna Caves, don't come in weekend times. So if you are coming weekend times, so this will happen. Fully traffic everywhere. So because of traffic, we don't go Guna Cave. We're going Pumbare. So this is the way to Pumbare. Wow! See the Triumph 800 standing here. Wow! I love that bike. Adventure. Oh, from here Pumbare, I think 7 kilometer. Hand signal. Actually, why he give hand signal? Because of the lorry and this water. Adventure ride. Seriously, the Japanese engine, always Japanese engine. Super. The Wisdom, my riding experience is very good, and also the engine was very smooth and also easy to handle this bike, and weightless, and enough power and enough mileage. Almost we reached Pumbare. So this is the viewpoint. Seriously, it was wonderful view, spectacular. Finally we reached Pumbare, which is located in this Kodaikanal. From Kodaikanal we can reach this Pumbare in 20 kilometer. Okay, my visor. We came for here to see one temple that is called Pumbare Murugan Temple. I think that one is Pumbare Murugan Temple. So one of the famous Murugan temple in Kodaikanal. So you know guys, it's a Muruga is the Hindu temple. Why they stop bike? I think they also don't know where we going. Okay, let's see what will happen. So right now time it is 12:38, same Kodaikanal. So after that Kodaikanal lunch, we are all get down from this Kodaikanal. We going our home. We going. Actually, we are in currently nearby Pumbare. So actually, we went Pumbare. After that, we came again here.
This is the first time I'm actually coming here, so I don't know the meeting actually.
Okay.
Maybe we'll find out. We'll take a trip. We'll stay for another day.
Pumbare.
We'll stay there for another day and
Oh
we'll
my
find out
God.
what's the name of it.
Oh, that's where the driver.
Yeah, that's why I rerouted them.
Oh, okay. Okay, where is the driver?
They might be roaming somewhere.
Okay.
In an unknown, how to say.
Why we standing here? It's all fine. Okay, so we waiting for other riders. Once they come, we go again Kodaikanal.
Either they'll come or we'll go. But anyway, we'll go home today.
The time is right now 12:53. So this is time for have lunch.
I think so.
Yeah. Our Pumbara ride is over, so we going to have lunch here. Okay, then. Actually, we going to have lunch here.
Yes.
In this hotel. Biryani.
Oh,
Which biryani you want? Fish biryani, mutton biryani, egg biryani, chicken biryani?
I will go with egg biryani.
Egg biryani.
Egg.
Why?
I don't think mutton will be good here. Let's try. Let's see.
Okay. Everywhere water going because heavy rain. ஒருத்தர் வந்துட்டு இருக்காருண்ணா. Okay guys, actually we going down from Kodaikanal. The Suzuki V-Storm ride is over, so we going our homes. Some of people stayed Kodaikanal itself, some people going to home. Okay, right now time is 3:13. We going our home, so I don't know. So first of all, I'm going Coimbatore, this Adarva showroom, Perumal Hills. In Perumal Hills, if you're going right side, you will reach Vattalagundu. If you're going left side, you will go Palani road. We're gonna take, see the climate suddenly changing. Oh, sunny climate, cloudy climate, rainy climate, awesome climate. We reached finally the silver waterfall. So this is silver waterfall area. I think you guys already know and saw my oh my god, such a the worthy climate when we came to this hill. Unforgettable memory for to me this. Oh. We reached.
என்னைக்குமே நல்லா இருப்பீங்கப்பா. கால்ட்டங்க. காசி போனேன்.
காசி
ராமேஸ்வரம்.
காசி எப்போ போனீங்க?
போயிட்டு வந்து ஒரு வாரம் தான் ஆகுது.